Meta Smart Glasses Blurry Photos Fix. Step 1. Clean the camera lens. Dust, smudges, or fingerprints on the camera lens are a common cause of blurry photos. Gently wipe the lens with a microfiber cloth to ensure it's clean and clear. Step 2. Ensure adequate lighting. Smart glasses, like most cameras, perform best in well-lit environment. Blurry photos can often result from trying to capture images in low light conditions where the camera struggles to focus properly. Step 3. Hold your head still while taking photos. Movement during photo capture is a primary cause of blur. When taking a picture with your Metasmart glasses, try to keep your head as steady as possible until the capture is complete. Step 4. Check for firmware updates. Ensure your Metasmart glasses have the latest firmware. Updates often include improvements to camera performance, stability, and bug fixes that could address blurry photo issues. Check the MetaView app for updates. Step 5. Restart your Metasmart glasses. Sometimes, a simple restart can clear up temporary software glitches affecting camera performance. Turn your glasses off and then back on to see if the issue resolves.